Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can solve any kind of math from Microsoft Math Solver. For that you have to watch the full video. So let's get started. First you have to go to the Microsoft Math Solver. Then you have to open, then the app will be like this. If you have a picture of your math, then just you have to put it from here and give allow, and you can just put your picture here. And if you wanna click from your pages or from somewhere, then you can just click on camera, then it will be clicked and it will be solved. And there are more options like draw. If you want to draw, then you can draw as well, like this: 2x plus 2y minus 1. So if you just click here, look, it's already solved. And if you want to type, then you can type as well. Look, it given the answer. So that's it guys, that's how you can use this app. So that's it for today, and thanks for watching this video, and do like, share and subscribe to this channel.